What's up, party people? Android Stud here, and I have the new Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 3. And as you know, you can use the S Pen on the inside display. By the way, you can't use it on the outside display, which is kind of a miss by Samsung, but it is what it is. 120 hertz on the in and out, I guess, was good enough for them. But check this out. You get this S Pen, you gotta buy separately. And you could doodle, you could do your thing. You can write on here, do your thing. Now, this is the pen from the Note 20 Ultra. Now check this out. Oh, only use S Pens designed for your Galaxy Fold. Other S Pens will damage the screen. You're using an S Pen Pro, set it to Z Fold mode before using it on your Fold. So you cannot use another pen. You can only use the one that is with the Z Fold 3.